Bienvenidos. Welcome to the Fate of Eight. I am Madam Menchaca at your service. Like the magic of my top hat and the magic of my cape and the magic of my crystal ball, we are going to do some magic today. We are going to make the invisible visible, the implicit explicit, and the unconscious conscious. My crystal ball tells me you have come to seek a better understanding of your fate. Well then, I will ask you today to examine yourself and who you surround yourself most with to determine your fate, and, if it is possible, to recreate your fate. We must ask today, are you the company that you keep? Those 8 closest to you may be limiting what you see in the world outside of your company. Your fate of 8 impacts your ideas, beliefs, thoughts, and behaviors, in turn creating invisible, implicit, and unconscious bias. Your fate is destined to be set unless you become aware of it. Let's begin, shall we? You will need a few items. You may grab a piece of paper and a pen and pencil to write with, or you may use your computer and open up a blank Word doc. Also, you must bring with you the ability to realize the magic that will appear before you today. I will give you a few minutes to grab what you need. Go ahead and pause me, and I will wait here for you. Wonderful. I am glad that let's begin. So, grab your piece of paper or open up your Word document, and I would like you to make a list of 8 people, 1 through 8. 8 people closest to you. Could be your friend, your coworker, your family member, the Starbucks barista. Whoever is closest to you and you spend the most time with, I want you to make a list of those people. You can write their first name, their initials, whatever you'd like. I'm going to give you a few minutes. Go ahead and pause me, and I'll be waiting right here for you to go on to the next step. Wonderful. So glad you're back. Now, as you see on this screen, I would like you to list 5 traits for each person on your list. Those traits are 1, race or ethnicity, 2, gender identity, 3, profession or job, 4, sexual orientation, and 5, disability, whether or not that person has a disability, and you may want to write the disability. But this may take a little bit longer. You go ahead and pause this video, and I will wait for you right here, and we will go on to the next step when you return. Wonderful, I'm glad you're back. Now your list may look something like this. This is an example of somebody who filled it out, and with their names, they entered the initials, their race and ethnicity, gender identity, profession and job, sexual orientation, and she listed the disability. Now, what I'd like you to do is to take a moment and to just look at the list that you have created, the 8 people closest in your life, and the 5 traits. I'd like you to take a real good look at your list of 8. Give it a good minute and see what you see. What do you see on your list? What's missing on your list? Who's missing on your list? Do you recognize any patterns? What magic has been revealed to you today from that list? Quite interesting, isn't it? Now we're going to take this a step further, and I'm going to ask you a few questions. When you look at that list, ask yourself, am I the company that I keep? Does your list reflect exactly who you are today? Question 2. Does my fate of 8 limit my lived experiences in regards to knowing and understanding others different than myself? Question 3. Could my fate of 8 impact my unconscious, invisible, and implicit bias? Question 4. Is there anything I can do to recreate my fate? Well, I believe there is. And the final question, what would my ideal friend be like that I could add to my 8 list in recreating my fate? Now, there are some powerful words there. A time for reflection. But guess what? Like magic, you have just made the invisible visible. Your implicit explicit and your unconscious conscious. You have the magic power to recreate your fate. I believe it. The question is, what are you going to do with your power? Thank you for joining me. As always, Madam Majaka, at your service.